I'm not kidding, guys. Bitcoin finally showed this bearish signal. I mean, Bitcoin made a false breakout of the key resistance level, which means that smart money grabbed the liquidity above the key resistance level. What does it all mean for us, and what's gonna happen with Bitcoins next? Let me explain. So basically, if we scale out and switch to the daily time frame, right here we can see that Bitcoin is planning to close this daily candle this bearish way. I mean, today Bitcoin previously broke above the key resistance level 80k by this upward movement, and in that moment it seems like Bitcoin may continue pushing hard over the resistance level 85, 88k, because Bitcoin previously was trading above the resistance, above the support level, and by this downward move, Bitcoin finally broke the above. And since that moment, Bitcoin hasn't touched the level resistance one, which means that the price use this resistance level as something like a target. Then Bitcoin, if Bitcoin broke above the key resistance 80k, with a high probability we may see an acceleration of an upward movement over the resistance level 85k. But Bitcoin made a false breakout, and the high price of the day, it is 81,272, which means that Bitcoin made a false breakout of the resistance level, which means that smart money literally grabbed the liquidity, because above the resistance level, especially around resistance level, especially 80k, was a bunch of short stops of short traders, because they put their stop losses above the key resistance level to not get caught off guard. But anyway, uh, smart money grabbed the liquidity by this false breakout, which means that price broke above the resistance level. After that, cross back the support level, and it seems like it's bearish trap. It not seems, it's literally bearish trap. On top of that, Bitcoin confirmed and firmed the diagonal support level by these 3 points. And right now Bitcoin has got close to the diagonal support level, which means that, and it seems like the momentum of an upward movement is literally faded. The Bitcoin is planning to close the daily candle below the support level 80k, and in Bitcoin is showing some bearish signal. And of course, on top of that, Bitcoin is trading in the overbought area, and I think that's obvious. And Bitcoin right now has trading in the overbought area, which Bitcoin has not been since January 2023, guys, and approximately this March 2024, which means that it's literally significant overbought area. And of course, on top of that, Bitcoin finally gave this upward move for approximately 30% just for several days. And I think it's just obvious for everyone that when Bitcoin gave this significant upward move for approximately 30%, it's not the best condition to fire some long trades right here, aiming for a continuation of an upward movement. And I think it's just it's just too naive to deem and to count on the continuation of an upward movement. And Bitcoin made a false breakout. And on top of that, if we see on the history, Bitcoin a bunch of times showed that when Bitcoin gave some straight movement without any correction, after that correction or something like a pullback or bounce back anyways happened. For example, right here, Bitcoin made a downward move from approximately 30%. After that, Bitcoin gave this upward move for approximately 19%. At least half of a downward movement, of a straight movement, Bitcoin is pulling back. So basically, due to the factors said previously, right now Bitcoin is trading in the overbought area. Bitcoin made a false breakout. Bitcoin is planning to close daily candle below 80k. This all increases the probability of a continuation of a current downward move, current correction toward the support level at 75, 74k. After the 74k, after that we will see, because the momentum of the upward movement is faded. Bitcoin got closer to this diagonal support level, and if Bitcoin break it below, with a high probability we may see an acceleration of a downward move over the support level at 75, 72k. After that we will see. And if we, for example, for Bitcoin, that's it. If we talk about Ethereum, right now Ethereum is showing the same diagonal support level. Ethereum on the 1 hour time frame from this diagonal support level, and right now Ethereum got close to this support level. On top of that, on the daily time frame, Ethereum is showing bearish engulfing. These red candle literally engulf previous green candle, which means that sellers right now do prevail over the buyers. And of course, Ethereum is planning to close this daily candle below 2500, which means like the momentum of the upward movement is literally faded. And on top of that, if Ethereum break below the diagonal support level, with a high probability we see an acceleration of a downward movement toward the support level at the same time, at the extreme with liquidity is 23.55, where Ethereum may grab some liquidity below the support level. So basically, guys, due to that factor I said previously, I'm expecting a downward movement for approximately current price. If we talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum, so for Ethereum, I'm expecting a 2350 to 2350 approximately. After we will see, because I record the same video almost each day. And if we talk about Bitcoin, I'm expecting a downward move from approximately current price toward the support level 75k. How that we will see. So basically, that's it, guys. Subscribe to my channel because I record, as said previously, a bunch of this video almost each day. Thank you guys for support. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, and see you later, guys. It just was my take and my view on Bitcoin, just my thoughts, not financial advice, guys. See you later, guys. Bye bye.